welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the BRENU token using Trust Wallet and Uniswap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything that you have to do in order to purchase this token. But before we get started, I just want to remind everyone I do have daily cryptocurrency tutorials coming out on this channel. So if you guys are interested in crypto and you want to learn how to buy, how to sell, and lots more to do with the crypto space, I'd really recommend subscribing to this channel as I'll have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, all we have to do to get this token is just head over to Trust Wallet. And I'm just going to let you guys know, I'm not going to show you how to purchase Ethereum inside of Trust Wallet or transfer Ethereum over. If you guys need to learn how to do either of those two things, I'll have two tutorials linked in the description for you guys to learn how to do either of those two things if you need it. But I'm going to already assume you already have an Ethereum balance inside of your Trust Wallet. Since that is the case, all you have to do now is add the contract address for the BRENU token to Trust Wallet. And I'll have a link over to CoinMarketCap for the contract address. So we just head over to CoinMarketCap. And then just go down to contracts right beside Ethereum here. You just want to go ahead and click on copy for the contract address. Then we can head back over to Trust Wallet. Once we're back in Trust Wallet, we want to go to the top right corner of our screen where we see the two lines and two circles. Click on that. And then just go to the top search and just paste in the contract address. Once you do that, you'll see add custom token here. So just want to click on add custom token. And then just make sure the network is on Ethereum. It should be on Ethereum from default. And then all we have to do now is just paste this contract address in there. And then it should add in the BRENU token, the decimals and the symbol in here as well. Once you see that, you click on save in the top right corner. And then you'll have the spot inside of your Trust Wallet for the tokens to go. Now all we have to do is head over to Uniswap. And I'll have a link over to Uniswap in the description as well for you guys just to go over there. And I'll show you guys what to do next. Once you're on Uniswap here, all we have to do now is connect our wallet. And to do that, if you just go to the top right corner of your screen where you see the connect to a wallet button, click on that. And here we're actually going to click on wallet connect. And that's going to ask us to choose our preferred wallet. So you guys can choose any wallet that you see here if you want to use MetaMask or another wallet. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you with Trust Wallet. So you can just go ahead and click on Trust Wallet. And then it will bring us back in our Trust Wallet application. So we just have to give this a second and it'll show a connection screen for us to connect our Trust Wallets to Uniswap. So we just give this a moment. And once we see the screen here, we just want to click on connect in the bottom of the screen here just to connect our wallet to Uniswap so we're able to swap Ethereum for the token. So just click on connect and then head back over to our Uniswap here. And then you'll see your wallet address in the top corner once you know your wallet is connected, as well as your balance of Ethereum right under Ethereum here. Now all you have to do is click on select a token. And we're going to paste that same contract address that we got from CoinMarketCap in here for the BRENU token. And just paste it in here, then click on import, and then import. Once we have these two coins in here, we're now able to decide how much Ethereum that we want to transfer into the BRENU token. But before we put the amount of Ethereum in, we're just going to change our slippage tolerance to make sure this transaction will go through. You can change your slippage tolerance just by going to that little settings gear beside swap, clicking on that, and you want to make sure your slippage tolerance is on 12% for this token. Once your slippage tolerance is on 12%, we can decide how much Ethereum that we want to transfer into the BRENU token. So let's just say, for example, we want to transfer 0.2 Ethereum into the BRENU token. We can just type that in here. And then we're going to see no liquidity. Click here to trade with V2. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And then it will show us the amount of the BRENU token we'll get in exchange for our Ethereum. If you're happy with that exchange rate, you can go ahead and click on where it says insufficient ETH balance for me. Right here, it should be telling you to swap. So if you just click on that swap button there, it'll tell you a broken down version of your transaction, showing you your gas fees and things like that. If you're happy with that, you can go ahead and click on swap one more time. Once you click on swap one more time, we can exit out of here and go back over to our Trust Wallets, and our BRENU token will arrive here usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to get the BRENU token using Trust Wallet and Uniswap. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.